Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the DMI indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the DMI indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 330 indicators. And out of those 330 indicators, 136 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we're working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 136 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So we'll go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the DMI indicator. We've tested a couple different versions of the DMI indicator, and so this is kind of a continuation of the testing of the DMI. And this particular indicator is modified slightly. It is the normal DMI with the normal settings, but basically what the creator has done is they have went in and set these zones. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see that these zones are different colored, and then you can see that the background of the DI lines are colored in. When we tested it before, we tested it with the ADX line, and so kind of the normal traditional style of testing it where the ADX needed to be above the 25 marker, and then we were looking for the DI lines to be either bullish or bearish. And so in this particular case, what we are actually going to do is just pay attention to the DI line. Someone had recommended that we just trade it off of the DI cross back and forth. And so you can see that the background or the cloud of the DIs are colored in, and so I'm going to go in and just bump up the opacity of these real fast, way they're a little bit easier to see. And then other than that, we're ignoring everything else. We're just looking for when they go red. When the cloud goes red here, we are going to go short. When it goes green, we're going to go long. Pretty simple setup. let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we get out of this. All right, so we pick up our first signal right here, and looks like that one was able to squeeze out profits. Yes, it was. So we got to take profit on that one. Then we pick up a long over here on this side. This one also, make sure we didn't get stopped out here. Yep, this one also was able to get to take profit. So far so good. Let's go ahead and play this out a little bit, and then we can track back on the signals here. So we pick up a short right there. That one does really well also. Then we pick up a long right here. That one, unfortunately, it's not going to work out for us too well. Then a short right there. Looks like we might have squeezed take profit. Yeah, we actually did this. Move down farther than I expected. All right, so there, and then along here, and that one looks good as long as we didn't get stopped out on this pullback right here. Let's double check that again. And yep, unfortunately we did get a little pullback there. That one stopped us out. Would have went in our direction, but that's okay. We will continue on here. Then we pick up a short over here for just a moment, which gets stopped out for a long almost immediately right here, which does get us to take profit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is cut out some of the video here so that way this doesn't get too long, and we will pick this up when we're a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, so we are almost to the end of the year. Yeah, we are at the end of the year. Yep, looks like that there was one or two more signals, but nope, we had finished out the year there. So, all right, before we add these up and count them out, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you are a new trader or an experienced trader, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only Discord channel. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, it's really super cheap. Then you will have access to the Patreon only channel on our Discord. On that channel, we are posting some really good advanced information, advanced discussions about things. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of the winning indicators for the MT platforms. Not every single one, but a good deal of them he has found for the MT platforms. And so if you use the MT platforms quite a bit, then that would be something be very useful for you to have. Our admins and some of the regular members are posting almost daily trade analysis as well, posting charts with markups of where they are entering, where they are exiting, taking profits, support and resistance, why they are getting in, and so on. Is really good information if you're trying to train your eye to look for those ideal market conditions that you should be getting in or out of the market, or if you're trying to dial in a trading strategy, or if you're just want to jump on some of those trades, see what you can make out of them. Really great stuff. Recently, we are also starting to do, one of the members, one of the patrons are going to start doing a more thorough test of the winning indicators. And so we're going to go through and start doing at least 100 trade test on the winning indicators to really start to refine the winning indicator list, find out which ones really hold up over time. And so we are going to eventually start doing videos on that. But if you are a Patreon member, then you will get some exclusive sneak peek information into that without having to wait for us to start making those videos. So again, really great stuff. Wonderful environment to be in. So let's get back to the indicator here. Let's back it up here some. So this definitely gave us significantly more trades than the standard DMI did, either one of them that we tested. And so let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. So we have 29 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. And so, like I said, this one gave us significantly more trades than the other ones that we tested, which is not really a surprise because it's not waiting for the ADX to say that there is a strong trend taking place. And so this is really like, flipping a coin to either go short or long, and so on. And so even though it gave more signals, they were definitely not accurate signals. And so this one's not going to do us much good. It's definitely going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.